3.6 miles ahead of us then for Rubens Barrichello's 11th pole position in Formula 1. 227 miles now, looking for your braking point into the first chicane. Just snatches the front wheel. He's on the ragged edge of retardation. Clean over the curbs, straighten the car up, brilliant traction, heading into the Curva Grande. About 150 miles an hour already, 180 on the exit, 210 before he gets down to the second chicane in the shadow of the canopy of the trees. Heavy braking then, down to about 70 miles an hour, neatly balancing the car over the curbs. The two Lesmos ahead, 100 miles an hour through the first one. It's all about smoothness and balance and using all of the track available. You've got to be very accurate in the second one, which he is. Now he's accelerating gently downhill initially before climbing up to the Ascari chicane. 215 miles an hour. Watch the grip as he launches the car into the left-hander. Superb. Direction change good. Ride the curb on the exit. Gently bring the car over to the left-hand side after the worst of the bumps. Into the Parabolica. 215 miles an hour once again. Watch this. Barely enough time to get the downshifts out of the way before the corner hits him right in the face. Straight back on the throttle pedal. Start-finish line ahead of him. It's about now. He's wishing he'd have carried a lot more fuel. He's so much faster than anybody else. Hindsight is a wonderful thing, but he starts from pole position.